Alright, we're going to try to figure out how you work this thing. Okay, it's supposed to give you abs or whatever. Now tell me, people, how does this work? How? This is the only motion we get.
I don't know.
See, it doesn't work.
Adding voice?
Adding voice?
Adding voice? I was wondering if it was actually making noise or...
It's still recording. When
Okay, it's recording, yes.
It's recording. Oh, that's okay. They don't know what we're saying. Let's see that again from this angle. Maybe that's how you're supposed to do it. Maybe that is how you're supposed to do it. Hold on. Baby. Ow! Oh my God! Oh, you better not be recording that. That wasn't supposed to be recorded.